DJI Avata 2. This thing is a FPV drone if you don't know. So today we're at like a golf course that's closed down obviously because it's snowy outside. You don't really want to golf when there's snow all over the ground. You can't find your golf ball. So we are gonna go rip through some trees and stuff like that. There's a lot of like open space here, which is nice. And also just like some good lines with trees to go through, and it is going to be a good spot just to rip around and actually just get some good cinematic flying and maybe some quick cool lines. So let's get right into that. Okay, I'm gonna go try for a line through these trees right here. Let's see what we can do. The transmission's a little bit laggy, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why, because I'm not that far away. That was a pretty good line. Let's go screw around these trees a little bit. Try and get tight and close, rip through like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Nice. That felt good. This feels a lot better. Freestyling, kind of doing these little tricks through here. Oh yeah, that was sick. That was a pretty good first flight, not gonna lie. A lot of fun. It's currently right now 2 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. 2 degrees Celsius. It's not a windy day either. Like the wind's at like, I think a mile 12 kilometers an hour with gusts. I say gusts because there's no frickin' wind down here. Probably all up there. We're a little bit sheltered in here, which is kind of nice, but yeah, I'm gonna mic myself up because I feel like that's probably a good thing to do, you know? Wow, I probably look like such a doofus with this like flares out at the bottom. But if you're flying FPV and you're in the winter, I know there's like bags you can get for your hands and your remote, which is good. I don't have that, but heated gloves, good for filming. These things heat up really good. Highly recommend. My hands are a little bit chilled, so do a little warm up and then we'll keep on flying here. So you guys can see me there. I think you guys can see me there. Open the legs, just get your splits training in. That's gonna hit me so hard, it wouldn't have been funny. Line it up. Whee! Yeah, that worked. Whoa, whoa, the prop, dude, I don't know. The prop wash is kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. There we go. That worked. Dude, this thing is so loud when it's flying around you. Do some rotations. I gotta get better going left. I'm good going right, but I feel like I'm not that good going left. Like this is my right orbit. Like crazy how good my right orbit is. But my left orbit's like sketch box, man. that bad. Booyah, booyah. We're gonna do one more run and we're gonna plan more of a really smooth, some smooth shots. I see a big hill right here. I kind of want to rip down that. Big drop down, throttle in, absolutely pick up speed. Get low, get that motion blur. Heck yeah. Turn the corner. And then come right over top of the building and showcase the whole golf course. I guarantee you money, we're gonna do that exact same shot this summer with this golf course. Mark my words on it. We're gonna fly right here. Oh yeah. Nice little chill orbit. Okay, let's try to do a loop here. I'm not good at the power loops, I'm not gonna lie. Rip in here. And that works. I can definitely feel it says battery level low, throttle output restricted. I can feel that hardcore right now. I'm like pinning it on those downslope or on the drops there, and definitely feel the lag. So that's something to be wary with this drone. Like this is full throttle. Can I like go through that branch? Yeah, I can. Like money, baby. Like freaking money, baby. Whoa, 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 see? If you get too wild and saucy with it, it does that, it freaks out. So you have to be really wary when you're flying this drone that like it freaks out. I definitely feel that. Like it freaks out hardcore and then just like wants to fall out of the sky. It's kind of weird. So it's definitely not a freestyle drone, right? I think people have, I've seen videos, people have said that and stuff like that, and I get that. It's a good drone to learn with because you do have like a lot of safety features. Like you have the sport mode that just flies around real nice and smooth. Like this isn't scary at all. Manual mode's where you get like some juice, but yeah, that's one thing. Where the other drones, the freestyles like the GPRCs and stuff like that, I don't know how to say the word, GEPRC, they're full manual, right? So you don't have those modes. So if you really don't know how to fly a drone and you're a newbie, definitely something to think about. I gotta land this sucker. We're at 8%. Somebody's driving over here. Somebody's driving over here? There's a road down here? Some weird shit. Maybe they're gonna come talk to me. No, it looks like they're dodging me. I'm so confused. Hi. But that's one thing to notice when flying this drone. It's going to definitely, when the battery drops off, you notice that the power really comes off and you're like gunning it for all dear life. But overall, that was a good flight. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for the next episode. Peace out.